Hey everybody, this is Kevin Lampron from RoyaltyFunnels.com, and in this video we're going to show you how to actually download your templates and how to import them and how to use them and edit them all on your own site. So let's go ahead and get started. So as you can see right here, you can look at all the templates that you want. You can just scroll through them this way, or you can actually go right over here to the left side, right where you see where it says templates. You can actually go through the style of templates, and you'll see that there's some zeros in here, which means that there's no templates available. But soon these will all be full, and you'll be able to have any one of these templates all together. So in this video, we're going to actually just download one of these cryptocurrencies, since that's the latest and greatest fad right now. And so we click on that, and you're going to see that it actually goes to the cryptocurrency page. And as we are on the cryptocurrency page, we'll just go ahead and we'll look at we'll go ahead and click on this we'll click on the second one right here. We'll click on this middle one where it's called Bitcoin Daily. And it goes ahead, and once you get to the screen, it gives you kind of a glimpse of what it's going to look like. And at the same time, you can either click this and actually click and view the demo. So if you actually want to see what the demo looks like, you can actually view the demo, and there it is. That's what the demo looks like. It's pretty awesome, right? So the next thing that we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go ahead and click Sign Up Now, which is basically signing up for this wonderful template. So we're going to go ahead and click Sign Up Now. And once you go ahead and do that, as a member already, if you're already logged in, you're going to it's going to have all your information down here for ordering this all up, right? And you can basically click off of this if you don't want to receive the welcome newsletter already. But you're going to go ahead and check on I am not a robot. Once you go ahead and do that, you're going to go ahead and click place order. And once you click place order, you're going to go ahead and you'll see the checkout. And there it is. You have basically ordered your free template, which right here you can click here to actually download it. You can click here to download it. You can actually click right here where it says download to download it, right? So basically, this is where you're going to actually download it. So where it says Bitcoin Daily, you're going to download it here. There's going to be also one other spot that you're going to be able to download it. Okay, so I believe that you're going to get an email that's also going to allow you to download it. So I'm actually going to go to my email right now to double check and let you know. So give me 2 seconds. So yes, so actually, if you go to your email, you'll also have access to download it there as well. So not only will you be able to download it here, you'll also be able to download it on your email. And guess what? If you didn't get your email and you came away from this page by some chance and you didn't get a chance to download it, you'll also have one spot that will actually have all your downloads, which is pretty awesome. So we're going to actually go to that area too. So you go ahead and you'll click on your little face right here, or you can always click on the menu bar and just scroll down to your social media area and just go to profile, click on this. But we're just going to go ahead or you can also click on the social activity wall. So we're just going to go ahead and click on my little logo here in the middle. And once you go ahead and do that, you're going to see this little cart right here, and it's going to show you all your orders that you've done with inside Royalty Funnels. So let's go ahead and click that. And once you do that, you're going to come to an area where it's going to show you all the orders that you have, right? Then you go ahead and you come to My Downloads, and then that's going to show you all of your downloads. And as you can see here, I have 2 downloads here already. I have the RF Opportunity and then the one that we just did, which is the Bitcoin Daily. So what we're going to do is we're going to show you the one that we just downloaded. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on I'm going to left click on Bitcoin Daily. And there you go. It's going to take us to our area right here for our downloads. And I'm going to actually choose a file. So give me 2 seconds so I don't use up the clock here. So I'm going to pause it. Okay, so I actually created a folder called templates, so that way I know where I'm downloading it at. And so we're going to download it in my templates folder and click save. And so you could do that on your desktop, depending upon, you should be using Chrome, so you should be able to do that. And then so there it is down here, it shows up down here. And so now what we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to go into your site and create a page so that you can actually upload that template into your own system. So let's go ahead and do that. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is go to My Sites. And when you go to My Sites, you're going to see all the websites that you've created. And in this case, we are going to go to the royalty templates. Or actually, we're going to go to training tutorials. I'm going to go to here to training tutorials. I'm going to go ahead and left click on that. And then once I do that, it's going to take me into my dashboard just like this. And then now what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to actually create a brand new page. So I'm going to click Add New. And once I add new, we're going to call this Bitcoin Profits because that's what it was called. And you could call this anything that you want. You don't have to call it Bitcoin. I'm just doing it just for this demonstration. Then once you do that, you come over here to the right side. You'll see this Publish button. You go ahead and right click or left click on that to publish it, to make it live. And then once you're done doing that, you're going to come back over to the big green button that says Architect, and you're going to left click on that, and it's going to open up in a brand new window. And then once it does that, it's going to load up, and you're going to see that everything is loading up right now. And once it's done loading up, you're going to see over here on the left side, on the very top, there's a gear, and you're going to left click on that, and then you're going to see Settings and Templates, right? So we're going to go over here to Template Setup. So again, I had to refresh really quick. So you're going to come over here to Template Setup, and then once you go over here, you're going to see where it says Import Landing Page. So you're going to be on Template Setup, and then you're going to left click on Import Landing Page. So we're going to left click on that. We're going to come over here where it says OK. We're going to click on OK. And then now what we're going to do is we're going to find that file that we just downloaded. So I'm going to left click on Select Files. And then there it is. It's taking me right to my little templates right here. So this is where I have it stored in my templates folder. And there it is. Bitcoin Profits. I'm going to left click on that. And then I'm going to come down to where it says Open. And I'm going to click Open. And then once I click Open, it's downloading it. As you can see the blue bar going across. And there it is. It's done. It's downloaded. It's right here. And you'll see the little check mark that's right there on it. That means that's what it's being selected on. So now all we have to do is come down to the bottom right corner, and right here where it says Import, then we're going to left click on Import, and then now it's going to import that folder or that file. So now right now in the background you see this Bitcoin Profits, you see training tutorials, you see all this. It looks like kind of like a blog, but now as you can see right before your eyes, it is actually changing to the actual template that we already have. Look at that. Look how amazing that was. So now all you have to do now is just edit it the way that you want. You can keep it the same or you can edit it. So here's how we edit it. All you'd have to do is just hover over anything that you want. So you can hover over the heading right here and left click on this, and then you can just start editing it. So if I want to change this from Bitcoin Profits Daily, I can change daily into weekly. See? Just look how easy that was. Super fast, super easy. Didn't have to really do anything, right? And you could do that with all these other ones down here. You could just change any words that you want. If I want to change the color of the words, it's very easy. So if I wanted to change all these from being yellow, all I have to do is come over here where it shows, let's see if is it the text options? Yeah, so the text options. So I'm on the text, I'm on the heading, up here it says heading, and then it shows it's yellow right now. So we're going to actually click on the left click on the yellow. I'm going to open this up where it says more because I'm going to use one of the defaults. And I'm going to change it to orange. Look how fast that was. How easy, how fast, how simple. And that's just the way that we want to do it. There's a lot of other things that you could do to actually, I'm going to cancel this out and bring it back to where it was. But there's a lot of other options that you could do that, but we'll show you those other options in other videos. So I hope that is pretty easy with you, and you can also learn how to edit this section right here by left clicking on your opt-in form, and then you can connect it to any of your form services. So as you can see right now, I'm not connected to anything right now, but if you actually followed the 5 simple steps, as soon as you signed up with Royalty Funnels, it's actually on the Royalty Funnels dashboard. So if we actually go to the dashboard of Royalty Funnels and go up here where it says dashboard, and we left click on that, you will see the 5 steps right here. Simple 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it's going to be step number 4 that's right here. And then all you're going to have to do here is actually just left click on this, and then now you have part 1, part 2, part 3. And then all you're going to do is come right here to part 2, and that's going to show you how to set up your autoresponder. So I hope that this video did you well, and I hope to see you download your own templates and get them all started, and you can edit them any way that you would like. And with that being said, welcome to Royalty Funnels. I'm Kevin Lampron, and we'll see you in the next video.